You might notice that on this piece, I only have 3 of the fasteners on my boards, and I did that on purpose. Earlier in this video, I talked about how, as artists, we can influence the way our viewer's eye goes through a painting. And in this particular painting, I felt like if I had another fastener here, it would sort of create a box. It would have the possibility of trapping the viewer's eye in this square down here. How a viewer's eye travels through a painting is not something that I want you to get really in the weeds about, but when you take your piece to your living space to spend a little bit of time with it, spend a little bit of time seeing how your eye naturally travels through the piece. We have a tendency to sort of sweep, and sometimes you'll see artists talk about kind of an S movement that goes through the piece. What we want is just for our viewer's eye to not stay down here, but come up to the pretty face of our cow. So if you're looking at your piece and you're feeling like something is just uncomfortable, it might be something as simple as how your eye is traveling through a piece. When we're doing florals, we can do, kind of a sweeping leaf or something that points back up to our piece. Down in the grasses down here, I may employ that a little bit by just having some natural curving motions that bring the eye back into the piece. And as I talked about earlier in this video, that's why I chose to have my vertical boards underneath of the horizontal boards. I felt like if the vertical boards were on top, it would kind of make you stuck, just like right here. So having the full spans of the boards really frees it up a little bit, makes it feel a little bit less like your eye is stuck. So I hope that that makes sense. Again, don't overthink it. Spend a little bit of time with all of your pieces. Pay attention to how your eye moves through the piece when you first walk up to it. And then, make little adjustments. There are lots of little tricks that we can do.